Good morning. Here's your weather briefing for West Central Texas as of 10 a.m. Thursday, January 8th, 2025. Today we have some updates on the ongoing winter precipitation for today and tonight. So this slide kind of contains all the most important information. So going region by region, up in the Big Country, which includes the city of Abilene, Um, we're looking at precipitation type that's likely to continue as snow for the rest of today and tonight. Additional snowfall that could occur through tonight. It looks like mainly 1 inch, but there is the outside possibility of up to 3 inches of snow occurring. Looking for most precipitation to end by midnight tonight, although there could be a small band of additional snow occurring roughly between 3 and 7 a.m. Friday, which could bring an additional half inch to inch of snow. Concho Valley, including San Angelo, and the Heartland, which includes Brownwood and San Saba. For this region, we're looking at a mixture of sleet and cold rain slash freezing rain to continue, although we're expecting the freezing rain to end for the most part by the morning, late morning and afternoon as temperatures warm a little more. So light ice accumulations are possible mainly on elevated surfaces, including bridges and overpasses. By 7 p.m., there could be a transition to snow as the temperatures get colder, and that would occur if the precipitation is still falling at that time. It could end before that. So if snow does occur tonight, we could see a dusting to a half inch of snow in the Concho Valley and Heartland. Precipitation mainly ending by midnight tonight for the Concho Valley and by around 3 a.m. for the Heartland. And there is, once again, that small possibility of a small band of additional snow that could occur roughly between 3 and 8 a.m. Friday, which would bring an additional dusting to half inch of snow. And that's mainly for the Concho Valley. The I-10 corridor, which includes Ozona, Junction, and Mason, due to the warmer temperatures down there, we're looking at mainly a cold rain with some sleet falling occasionally. And then by 7 p.m. or so, a transition to snow would occur if precipitation is still falling at that time, so that by that time we could see a dusting to half inch of snow, and precipitation mainly ending around midnight to 2 a.m. tonight. This is the radar imagery as of 9:45 a.m. this morning, and you can see areas of showers moving up from the southwest and moving through the I-10 corridor up into the Concho Valley and Heartland and into the eastern Big Country. And precipitation in those areas in the Big Country is mainly snow, as mentioned in the previous slide. Meanwhile, the Concho Valley and Heartland looks like a mixture of sleet, cold rain, and perhaps some freezing rain. And then down in the I-10 corridor, mainly cold rain with some sleet occasionally. This is a model projection of what the radar will look like through Friday morning. And so we can see that starting around 9 a.m., we have these showers ongoing, mainly across the eastern half of the forecast area, and that'll look to continue through the evening hours. And then there's that band of snow that I mentioned earlier that could occur after 3 a.m. Friday. So let the loop run one more time. You can see those showers continuing in the eastern counties, central and eastern counties, and then here we have that additional band of snow that could come during the morning hours on Friday. So we do have a winter weather advisory in effect for the entire forecast area, and it continues through 6 a.m. Friday. Wintry mix of rain, freezing rain, sleet, and snow is the reasoning behind the winter weather advisory. Could see some travel impacts. Like I mentioned, Big Country looks like it'll be mainly snow, and then elsewhere, the sleet and freezing rain in some areas could result in slick spots, especially on bridges and overpasses. Temperatures through Friday morning look to hover around 31 to 34 degrees today, except a few degrees warmer in the I-10 corridor. And then temperatures cooling down to around freezing by late this evening. And so we could see some refreezing of any leftover moisture on the roads, and that could result in patches of ice tonight and Friday morning. That's it for this weather briefing. Our next briefing is scheduled for Monday, January 13th. Thanks for watching.